welcome back. Okay, today is not going to be too long. You'll get the lessons tomorrow. I've got videos coming out. But I wanted to let you guys know this because I don't know how long the coupon is for. Spree 50 color alcohol brush markers comes in a little case and one colorless alcohol marker blender. The price is fantastic. These are brush markers, so they're always more expensive. I don't know why, but I guess the market, that's the way it's. Everybody wants to brush. These are brush tipped. It's on sale for $13.99. And then there's a coupon. I don't know how long the coupon's going to last. Usually they don't last long. There's a coupon for an extra 20% off. So this is a grab 'em if you don't have alcohol markers and you want to do some mixed media. I use alcohol markers constantly. I have many sets, but I have the entire Prismacolor alcohol markers. And if you don't know what a brush tip is, this is the brush tip. And this one has a bullet nib. That's a bullet nib. And then a chisel. I think my Color It markers are chisel. This is a chisel tip. So you get this nib and this nib for $13.99 plus 20% off. If you know what markers cost these days, this is the deal of the week. There's a rumor about ArtFly that they're coming out with a 120 set. So I contacted ArtFly and I asked them, and they absolutely said yes. And I had permission to tell you guys it's an absolute coming out with a 120 set. They didn't say when, but they said that they were going to send me the set to be able to show you guys. So that rumor is true. I wanted to give you an update on mine and Andy's pencil set. Right now, the pencils are in production, so they're going through the machinery, doing their thing. I got to see the tin for the first time the other day. Loved it. Completely loved it. So he said 50 days. We're still within that. I'm going to guess by the time it gets to Amazon, it'll be like the end of August. I hope it's before then, but, you know, by the time Amazon gets it up there, it'll definitely be August and the latest September. I cannot wait to get these pencils in my hand. You have no idea how excited I am. Okay, so I will see you guys tomorrow. This week's a good week. I have a lot of things planned. There may be more than my usual 2 videos, because I'm getting backlogged with stuff. So I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Bye-bye.